I have manifested every single good thing happening in my life, but when I told the same things that I did to my friends, it didn't work out for them. So I have tested various type of manifestation techniques and all of them were working for me, not my friends still. On that point, I realized that you should not go for different techniques of manifestation. If one of them doesn't work, if the second one doesn't work, because you are not open to manifest. It's you are the problem, not the technique. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to become the person to manifest anything in your life as I did. Exactly opposite of all YouTube videos, I'm going to make you the person who the manifestations technique gonna work on, not a new manifestation technique, because every manifestation techniques literally work. If it doesn't work for you, you should change something within yourself. You should not change your technique. Hello guys, I'm so back, and today we're not gonna talk about a relationship matter as usual, but with the help of this video you can become the person that all manifestations techniques are working on you. Therefore, you can manifest your dream relationship. Sometimes people be like, is manifestation real? Everything you're currently going through, you were manifesting it. You know that. Manifesting is not sophisticated. It's not something very unusual that you should put on some candles all around you and write something on the paper and then burn it in order to manifest it. Every single minute in your life, every single minute, every single word coming out of your mouth is a manifestation by itself. So please don't go on various techniques and various type of manifestation. All of them work. Affirmations work, meditations work, vision boards work so good. So if manifestation is something that happening on your daily basis, even subconsciously, then when you're doing all those works, all those techniques, all those vision boards, and they're not happening to you, the problem is not the technique, the problem is the person doing it. No, please don't get me wrong, there is nothing special wrong with you. It's very normal to not know these things, but no worries, you're gonna change after this video. So let's go through it. Huge difference between people who can manifest easily and people who are so stuck in their manifestation process is that people in group 1, which I'm included in, we already manifested things, so our brains saw the results, and deep down we are the real believers of these manifestation stuff. People who haven't manifested anything, I mean, they did, everything is manifested in your life, but it wasn't the exact result of your manifestation, and you didn't notice that it's the result of your manifestation. And the more you do, the more you don't receive, or you think it's fake. Let me explain it to you. For example, I personally, when I first heard about the manifestation concept, I started with little things. When you start with little things, the result coming faster. For example, if you want to manifest 100 euro, it can come, I don't know, in a week, or it can include in your salary or anything. It can be a tip from a customer, or it can be from anywhere. So it's very possible to come to your life. So if you manifest 100 euro and in a week or in 2 weeks, somehow you get 100 extra on your salary or as a tip or as anything, you're immediately like, oh, it's the thing that I manifested. Now that you manifested 100 euro, you are ready to manifest 1,000 euro. After manifesting 1,000 euro and actually seeing it coming to you, now you can manifest 1,000,000 euro. So as soon as you see the manifestation result on little things, it's getting so much easier for you to go to another level and manifesting bigger things. That was exactly the reason why I could manifest things, but my friends with the same technique, they couldn't. Because by chance, I already saw so many results in my life. Back then, when I was in my hometown, I manifested to move here. It happened, then I was like, oh my god, I'm a manifestation queen, so let me manifest my dream partner. Even though they already manifested so many things in their life, but it was subconsciously. They were not so conscious that, oh, I manifested it. So whenever they were asking, oh, Alina, why you're always in lovely relationships? And I were like, okay, even though that I know techniques that I'm teaching you guys on my videos, I have manifested these people. And they were like, okay, can we do it too? I was like, yeah, sure. And I was sharing the techniques step by step. They were doing it and nothing happened. Because it was the first thing they wanted to manifest. And deep down, it was a concept that they're supposed to try, and if it worked, they would believe on it. Back then, they wouldn't believe on it. They needed to try it on something smaller first. So what I want you to do right now is to keep your big dreams and big wishes and big things you want to manifest, but put them a bit beside and bring a new pen and paper, bring a new vision board, and start manifesting things that can happen in this week. Instead of saying that, oh, I want this fancy partner and everything, let's manifest a good friend first. Let's manifest a nice smile from your favorite person in university. It's so much easier to happen, right? You're waiting for your class and she's like crossing and smiling at you, and you're like, oh, manifestation works. I just manifested a simple smile from my favorite person in university. So let's manifest a good friend, a cool friend that I can hang out after classes with. And suddenly it can happen to you any minutes, because these things are very much more probable to happen to you. The universe is gonna give it to you immediately. After manifesting that smile, after manifesting that friend, now you are ready to manifest your dream partner. The very important tip about manifestation that I'm so afraid any of you guys don't know is that manifesting only comes with feelings. Why? Because the universe doesn't know English. The universe doesn't know Arabic. The universe doesn't know Russian. In any language you tell these affirmations just gonna affect your energy. If your energy does not align, and if you don't already have the feeling of have that partner, if you already don't have that feeling that you have that thing you want to manifest, it would not come to you. Alina, why are we writing a whole paper about our dream partner to manifest it? To give yourself this feeling that you already have it? No, by writing it, universe not gonna read it all. Universe does not know English. Universe does not know. The language of universe, the language of manifestation is your energy. If we have any affirmation, if we have any writing, if we have any pictures in front of us, it's just to give us this feeling. Without a feeling that it's already happened, nothing gonna get manifested. Thank you so much for staying with me on this video. I have manifested 1,000 of things on my daily basis or in my overall life. So pretty sure, I'm so confident on the things, on the comments I have on manifesting. Please try and see the result.
If you are not good at dating and relationship matters in overall, please subscribe. No, self-growth and manifestation techniques are not the things that I usually talk about. These are just exception videos.
But if you're interested in dating tips and relationship matters, you can subscribe. Love you all. See you in the next video.